Hi guys, welcome back to Dirt Bike Paradise. Today we have something a little bit different. We're not going to be doing a ride video, and we're not going to be doing a maintenance video of some sort. Today we have a project bike. And now we're facing the 2017 RMZ 250. And I don't want to show the project bike just yet, because I want you guys to go down in the comments below and guess what kind of bike I'm going to be building. Whether it's a 2-stroke, 4-stroke, engine size you think it's going to be, the year of it. Just head down there, let me know what you guys think it's going to be. So just pause the video, do that quickly, and then carry on with the rest of the video. And without further ado, we have a 1997 KTM EXC 125 2-stroke. Now, everything on this bike seems to be in pretty well working order. Just little things basically on it, like it's gonna need a clutch. I'm thinking some suspension work just because of how soft it is, but that might just be fooling with the fork oil levels. Now, this is my first ever 2-stroke. I've never owned a 2-stroke before. And this bike does run. It was actually the guy I bought it off of. It was his project bike to begin with. Left foot kickstart, as you can see there, and the pipe is actually on the left side. The pipe on the bike looks actually amazing. I thought it was going to be way worse than this. A couple dings, obviously. There's a little ding there, and a dent across the top here. Couple little dings on the end there. The only issue I'm really having with the pipe is there's a little hole right there, right where it connects on that bracket there, and it doesn't seem like to be a big issue. I can just weld that back up, so we'll get that sorted out. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the project. If there's anything you guys want to see on the bike, if you want to see it completely retroed out, you want to see it look like it was brand new from factory in 1997, or whether I should do a 2019 conversion plastics kit, 2018, make the bike look brand new. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check back in when we start tearing this bike down.